Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to upload photos on Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to upload photos on Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of buttons available for us, and at the bottom right corner just beside the plus button there is the folder or the file icon available for us. On this interface, tap on the folder or the file button at the bottom right corner, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner in order to upload a photo on Picsart. So let's tap on the plus button and tap. When this panel appears, tap on the upload, and all of the photos available on your device will be shown to you over here. Simply tap on the photo which you want to upload from over here, which is on your file, and after tapping on it guys, it will be directly uploaded to your Picsart account like this. And with that being said guys, this is how to upload photos on Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.